hybrid. Hybrid meaning that combination of physical and also online, physical face-to-face and also online. Okay, this one. Okay. So test 1 and 2 will be conducted physically. This one is compulsory lah. We need to conduct the test physically face to face. Okay, so in week 7 and week 13 lah during our class on Tuesday. Okay, week 7 and week 13. In this semester, I plan to have a site visit lah to the construction. Atau kelas baru masuk to the construction site, but the date will be announced later lah. Okay, construction site. So Shed class representative, please contact me after this lah to discuss about this site visit. Okay. Okay, so you can see details of the class planning for this semester. So this one should be makmal umum lah. Makmal umum. For online is Gmeet, Google Meet. Okay. So you see here, okay, our class will be conducted on every Tuesday. On week 1 until week 5, okay, we will conduct our class online. I believe that there's some requests from UMS student request that the lecture in week 1 until week 3 to be conducted online. Okay, but for this course, the online lecture will be conducted starting from week 1 until week 5 lah. Okay, online. So the platform is through Gmeet. And then in week 6 to week 10, we will start meeting face-to-face physically. And location of our lecture room is at Makmal Umum 1, Makmal Umum 1. Okay, and in week 11 and 12, it is online. Week 13, face-to-face, because this one is test 2. Okay, in week 7, this one, test 1. Okay, then in week 14, online. Okay, I hope you're clear with our class schedule. Okay, so we have around 60% class will be conducted online and 40% is face-to-face. Okay, so you still have time lah. I think some of you still in your kampung. Okay, so in week 6 you must be here lah in UMS. Okay, so next is the reference materials. So these are the suggested books for this course. However, you actually can use any types of book which are related to the construction technology. Okay, not necessarily to use all these books. Okay, let's say you go to the library and you found books, building construction, civil engineering construction. So any type of books which are related to construction you can use. Okay, I will also share you the lecture notes, but do not depend on lecture notes only lah. Okay? You still need to do extra revision during your self-study learning time. Okay. Okay, so next is the course description and objective, what you're going to learn in this course. Okay, so construction is one of the branches of civil engineering, meaning that it will concern directly to us, with us common people. So why? Because all of us, everyone wants to have beautiful house, building, dwelling and so on. Okay? However, with time, there's new changes appeared in construction, new changes, okay? And all of these changes is because of technology. Because of technology. If there is no technology, then we will stay using all method in construction, but because of there's a new technology, then the construction they keep on improving, keep on changing. Okay. Okay. So in the beginning, long time ago, buildings were made from like stone and mud, but nowadays, in recent time, we construct building using multiple types of materials. Okay, this is an example lah, materials, okay, including we use stone, timber, concrete metals, brick. Even brick nowadays we have different types of brick. As conventional method we use clay brick. Um, the latest method we can use interlocking brick. So interlocking brick is a type of brick where you can construct wall using a Lego concept lah. That is example. So in this course, okay, it will introduce you to the basic knowledge of construction technology, basic knowledge lah. Okay, if you want advanced knowledge, then that one is under advanced construction technology. So in this basic construction technology course, okay, it includes different construction which involve in civil engineering lah. Okay? And we will also look at different methods of construction, not only the materials, but also different methods in construction. So the course objective of this course, we want to give you knowledge on the preparation work, okay, in construction, because before you do any construction, you must prepare your site, your project site lah. Okay, so this involve like earthwork, okay, this one, piling, so that it consider as a preparation work lah. Okay, and also in concreting, okay, floor, cladding, and walls, okay, roof and roofing finishing, and also industrial building system, which is IBS lah. Okay, so actually there are many types of construction technology, such as drone. You know, this drone is very popular. We also have building information modeling (BIM), and also we have 3D printing. Right, 3D printing, like you print your paper, but this one you print house. Okay, we have that technology lah. Okay, and artificial intelligence and so on. Okay, but these technologies will be covered under the advanced construction technology subject. Okay, okay, course outcomes. So in this course of outcomes, we have 3 course outcomes lah: CO1, CO2, and CO3. Okay, so each student will be evaluated based on these 3 course outcomes. So meaning that all the assessments, so assessment meaning that your final exam, your test, your assignment, it will be designed based on these 3 course outcomes lah. So the first course outcomes, okay, number 1, CO1, this is the ability to explain management of the construction site, temporary work, and any issues related to construction, civil engineering construction. And this course outcomes is related to PO6. So this one PO, this one is program outcome. Program outcome. So PO6, this one is the engineer and society. It linked to engineer and society because if you refer back to the course outcome, number 1, you have to know what is the safety, okay, when you do construction, and you have to know any issues related to the construction so that it will help you to do a better decision lah. Okay, so it relates to engineer and society. Okay, PO6. The level of assessment for this course is C2. So C2 is actually a low level of taxonomy Bloom lah, Bloom taxonomy. Okay, so which is this description. Okay, maybe in the question, for example, in the question, we'll ask you what is a construction type, how many, something like that lah. Okay, so it's a low level Bloom taxonomy you need to describe. Okay, and the course outcomes will be assessed based on the test. THA, that one is the assignment lah. TQ is test, and FE is final exam. Okay. And then we also have this WP. If you see the last 3 column, that is actually CPS, complex problem solving. Okay, WP, EA, and WK. Actually, this CPS, complex problem solving, WP, EA, and WK, they are requirements by the Engineering Accreditation Council lah, EAC, because our program is accredited by EAC. Okay, so it will address the complex engineering problem, which is WP. EA is complex engineering activities, and WK is the knowledge profile. But so far for CO1, there is no complex problem lah, WP. There is no WP and complex engineering activity. So we have only knowledge profile, which is WK7. So WK7, this one involve comprehension. So I'm not going to explain in detail about this CPS, but I just mentioned to you lah, that our course is designed to relate with the complex problem solving lah, okay, as required by the EAC. Okay. Okay, number 2, so course outcome number 2. So this is the ability to analyze, meaning that you need to analyze. I give you a question, then you have to analyze before you come up with the answer. Okay, and then after you analyze, then you select what is the best method lah for that construction. So it go together with consideration, which is, for example, environmental consideration, and also maybe there are some specific construction requirements. So that is your course outcome number 2 lah. So I give you one situation, you analyze based on the environmental consideration, okay, and maybe other consideration, and then you select your the method of construction, for example, and then you justify why you do that selection. That is course outcome number 2. Okay. Okay, so course outcome number 2, it is linked to POET. So POET is ethics. Okay, and it also linked to WP1 and WP2. This one is the CPS, WP1 and WP2. So WP1, that one is knowledge at the level of fundamental base engineering lah. Okay, fundamental base engineering, in order to answer this problem for CO2. And also for WP2, this one which involve engineering and other issue. Other issue, this one lah, environmental consideration and specific construction requirement. So this one will be assessed in POET lah. Okay, it's a link to POET. Okay, so this course outcome number 2 will be assessed based on the group project. So THA here is the assignment, but usually for construction technology, I will give a group assignment. Okay, and then test. We have also this PTA. PTA is the peer teamwork assessment. Okay, and sometimes I will monitor each student in order to give you marks. Okay, and final exam, FE, final exam. Okay, and the level of assessment for CO2 is C4. C4 is involved analysis of the building structure. So this is higher level of Bloom taxonomy. And the last one is CO3. Okay, CO3, the ability to illustrate the construction technique used in the civil engineering. Okay, so this course outcome it relates to PO1. So PO1 is engineering knowledge. So this one is okay lah, engineering knowledge, and it is assessed in assignment, test, and final exam. Okay. And the level of assessment is C3. C3 is application. For example, you need to know how to sketch the floor, roof, foundation, wall, and so on. That is under CO3. So you must know lah. Let's say I ask you to draw a sketch floor. Then you must be able to sketch floor lah. If you're unable, then it's something wrong lah with your understanding in this course. Okay, so that is our course outcome number 3. Okay, so the course delivery method, so it will be presented through blend of instructional method. So this one, blend of the instructional method, which include lecture. Okay, so lecture online, physical face-to-face lecture. So you also will have a group discussion because your assignment will be in group and group project. Okay, I will also teamwork. Okay, assignment, this one is group project lah. This one is group project. Okay, and independent study. Okay, so that is the course delivery method. Okay, so so this one is most important lah. Yeah, the evaluation system and marks distribution. So the assessment of course, it will be based on this table. If you see here, the group project, assignment 1, assignment 2 will be done in group. So the first assignment 1 or group project 1, the 10% will be allocated lah. Okay, and then assignment 2, group project 2 is 15%. Okay, so total for assignment is 25. We also have this PTA, peer teamwork assessment, and also monitoring. Okay, that one is 5%, this one. And then test 1 and test 2 will give 10% each. So total is 20% lah. And final is 50. So overall, okay, the total marks is 100. Okay, so test 1, test 2, week 7 and week 13. Okay, so any comment on this evaluation system? Let's say you want to increase or reduce marks, the percentage also you can suggest. Okay, so semua okay lah kan? Okay. Okay, so this is our course topic schedule. So this one is just a brief topic lah I share here. Okay, that we will cover in this semester. Okay, so the first column, that one is a week. This one is week, no? Number, so week. The second column is the course topics, and the last column, that one is the course outcome lah. So this week is the course introduction. So first week, we just do some course introduction, and then followed by introduction to construction technology. That one will be in second week. This one, second week. Okay, then you will learn about the site analysis and setup. Okay, so before we start any project, you must know how to do the site analysis, why it is important, and how you set up your project. Okay, your website project. And then in week 4, we will start with foundation. Okay, after you do the preparation of your site project, then you start construct your foundation lah. That is the basic foundation, basic structure lah, that you need to start before you construct your superstructure building. Okay, so in week 5 to 6, so this one we start with construction of the superstructure, which is floor, lantai. Okay, and then in week 8 to 9, so this one is still superstructure, but for walls, dinding, okay, walls. And then in week 10 to 11, okay, you will learn about roof. Okay, so these three structure, floor, walls, and roof, they are considered under the superstructure. Okay, for foundation, this one is considered as substructure. So any structure that is constructed below the earth surface, they are considered as substructure lah. Okay, kalau yang atas, from the earth surface, we categorize it as superstructure. And last, or not last, okay, in week 12 is the frame building, and last is the industrial building system, which is the IBS. Okay, and then we will have this test 2 in week 13 lah. Okay. Okay. So you can see at the last column lah. For example, in introduction to construction technology, this will link to CO1. Okay, site analysis and setup link to CO1 and CO2 and so on. Okay. Okay, attendance. So attendance is compulsory lah. Okay, if let's say you are unable to attend or to join the class, please give me the absence letter. Okay, if absent due to medical reason, then you have to attach letter from the doctor. Okay, if no medical letter, then I will consider you as absent lah. Okay, so hope you all clear about this lah. Okay, compulsory. Okay, but I think now we only have, hold on, how many students? I think less than 50, 56. Okay, lain tengah tidur mungkin. Okay. Yes. So this one, blended learning. So this is also important. So I need you all to log in to ITEL. But I believe all of you are already familiar with ITEL, kan? Since this is your second semester. And then you register under the course name KA10802, Construction Technology. All the construction materials will be posted lah under this ITEL. Okay. And our communication platform will be through WhatsApp. Okay. Apa lagi? That's all lah. Okay, so ITEL and WhatsApp group. That is, you have to always alert lah if there is information shared in the WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Okay. So a short course briefing. So if you have any question, you can ask me now lah. That's all. You have any question? Now is 55 students. So we are missing tadi 55, 53 lah, 53. There are 3 students. Okay, absent today. Okay. Any question you want to ask me before we end our course briefing? Oh, okay. Embarrassing for test 1 and test 2, what will it cover? Okay. Usually I will divide it like this lah. Okay, we refer back to mana? So it is like this lah. Okay, if you see here, the course topic. Okay, actually we will start our lecture in week 2 lah. Okay, until week 6. So usually the test will cover topic from week 2 until week 6 lah. Usually I will arrange it like that. Okay, so that one is for test 1. Okay, and then for test 2, from super walls until IBS. Sometimes it depends lah. Sometimes I will inform the student, or not IBS, walls until frame building. Okay, so because this IBS will be conducted in week 14 kan, okay, after you having this test 2. Okay, so normally I will arrange it like that lah. Okay, but your question is very advanced lah. Okay, okay. Okay, any more question? Senyap je kamu. AFS. There is no no individual assignment lah. No individual assignment. I can give, but usually for construction technology, for this semester I will give a group. Previous semester sometimes I combine it, group and individual. But for this one, for this semester, I plan to set just a group assignment. Okay, I want to say about this one. Your name. When you join my class, if you can write your full name, it's better, because sometimes I will recheck lah. I will recheck attendance. Like this one, AFS. Who is AFS? Sometimes if I yeah, because AFS, then I have to check the attendance list here. AFS, mana AFS?
My name is the number 10 Dr. Atalarik Firmansyah.
Number 9 lah. This one lah. Because this one I arrange it according to the A to Z lah, according to name. Because AFS, oh, who is AFS? Atalarik Firman. Okay, so maybe next time you have to write your at least your name lah. Yeah? Cik Alistair,
Okay, no.
Alex, this one okay lah. Anis, okay. Constant. Didi Hasdi also. Yo, who is Didi? Adakah nama Didi? Then I think sini Hasdi kan? Didi Hasdi is number 21 ni kan? Hasdi.
Yeah, doctor.
Okay. Okay. Ferrari Chang, Hani, Kaulah Matning, Max Lender. Okay. You can choose your own group lah. Okay. You can choose your own group. Okay. Yeah. Okay. When you talk about group assignment, kan, good question. I forgot already. I think you can start forming your group lah, starting this week lah. And each group, the maximum number of students is only 5. That is the maximum number allowed by the EAC lah, the Engineering Accreditation Council. Okay, so you can form your group, your own group. Maximum is 5 students. Then you pass your name to the class representative, Shed. And then Shed will pass a group name to me lah. Okay, where is Susam? I think one international student kan? Sam, who is Sam? Who Sam?
No, Samira.
That's why you change your name lah nanti. You put Samira. I recheck sometimes kan, I recheck your name but before I allow you to join this class. Sometimes mana satu ni student saya ke bukan? Kita takut orang luar. Okay. So I think berapa orang sudah ni? 54. So dia 50. Tadi ada 55. 55 minus 2, so 53. So there are 3% student yang missing lah for today's class. Itulah okay, never mind. I will share you the attendance. Sekejap, stop sharing. Stop presenting. Okay, I will share your sekejap mana. Okay, so that is the attendance. Attendance link. If someone want to join, what is your president? Someone want to join. Amar Aidit. So Amar Aidit, we already finish our class ni. Sekejap saja. It's just a course briefing kan. So please mark your attendance. Please mark your attendance. Okay. Already shared at the message box. For lecture topic 1, I will share the lecture notes in the ITEL lah. Hopefully after this lah, I will share. So you can do reading before we start our real class next week.
Doctor, the link expired.
Expired?
Yes.
Kejap, saya baru buka. Okay, attendance. Link expired. Oh, nama dia lah. Okay. Cuba try ni. Try mark your attendance. I set it up until 12. Supposed to be 12 p.m. but I wrongly write 12 a.m. That's why it's already expired. So you can mark your attendance. The link is okay. Okay. Nurasha sudah letak good. Mungkin okay lah tu kan. Okay, student attendance. Okay. Okay, ada sudah. Okay. So far, yang belum mark attendance, Ridwana Rifia, Azrin Azhari, Ilmi, Kelvin, Aminullah, Calvera Winda. Okay. Mana lagi? Fazli Saning, Muhammad Akil Syaris, Amar Aidit, Jesse Dendi. Okay. Syed, mana Syed? Ada Syed?
Hello, ada.
How many students are in your class?
Kejap. Sebab ada satu orang lagi masuk. Dia kos tukar kos ya.
Tukar. So sepatutnya berapa lah kalau masuk yang tukar ni?
Kejap ya.
Attendance record was not found. Siapa ni ya? Nama siapa ni ya? You must introduce yourself. Ada WhatsApp saya ni 01133118. Okay ni Joshua.
Yes, doctor.
You already mark your attendance?
Already, but I haven't registered for the course.
Oh, you haven't registered for this course. So when you're going to register? Today?
On 21, the link will be open.
Oh, you are in text with, oh, this one is BK 2023. The rest, you already register kah? Belum? Not yet?
Already, doctor.
Already? Oh, how come can you? Registration open on 21st? But when I check your metric number ni, this one is intake 23 kan?
Yes, I forgot to register during the...
Oh, pre-register. Okay. So make sure you register lah for this subject, because dulu-dulu, cerita dulu-dulu. Okay, dulu-dulu one student kan, and he sit for this for the subject lah, not this subject lah, until end of the semester. But then during the exam, he noticed that dia belum register. So have to retake the subject, buang masa lah. Okay, so please make sure lah. So far I have only 56. Oh, ada lagi yang baru mau join lah. Siapa ni? Aminullah. Okay, onda lah nama dia tadi. Okay, so saya sebut je lah nama seorang-seorang lah yang already. I think this one based on the pre-registration list lah. Okay, so far 56 student. Alistair Aldron, Alexander Adam, Alexander Aris. Kembar kan ni? Alexander Adam and Aris kembar lah ni kan? Bin Azman. Aminullah ni baru masuk ni Aminullah. Temis sudah. Okay, Ahmad Aidit, Anis Suhaiza, Aneka N, Asrul Asmat, AFS, Azrin Azahari, Calvera Winda, Kelvin, Charlie, Constance, Crescentia, Dayangku Nur Armaya, Emerson Junior, Fatin Fatiha, Fazli Saning, Ferrari Chang, Asdi, Ibun Nurhani, Ivan Demelo, Ivy Sherin, Jessie Dendi, Asdi Dendi, okay, Joseph Rizal, Kaula, Marian, Max Leander, Melanie, Muhammad Arif Shah, Muhammad Nur Syafiq, Muhammad Akil Syaris, Muhammad Hilmi, Muhammad Zulaiddin, Nik Nabila Adriana, Nur Athira Masita, Nur Izatul Syafina, Nur Fazwana, Nur Ardina, Nurin, Nurul Safika, Nurul Syafika, Syafika, Razin Naif, Ridwana, Rovens, Ryan Renault, Samira, Siti Nuranisa, Stephanie, Suziana, Syari Fazawani, Syed Firdaus. Syed Firdaus ni yang kelas rep kan? Saya kasih highlight nama dia. Okay. Vioni and Zachary. So only 56 students that already did the pre-registration lah kan. Okay. So the rest yang macam saya beritahu tadi lah, those yang haven't registered, please make sure you register lah. Okay. Any more question? Brothers? Oh, bukan kembar. Oh, syoknya. Adik-beradik dalam satu kelas. Okay, any more question before we end our briefing? If no more question, then we can end our class lah. Okay, so see you next week. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.